I'm Shinzo Abe. Today, we have a really good opportunity as Japanese to assemble with the North American people and to petition the government for redress of grievances. I, Prime Minister Shinzo Abe, Tokyo, Japan, have made history not only for Japanese but for Americans and for all people. And even though I am an high priest and of the tribe of Levi and I'm Japanese, I am also Jew, Christian, and American. And I do not want disrespect in Japan towards the American people, nor disrespect in America towards the Japanese people. I want a trial just like we had in the United States of America, and chance for High Priest Aaron, tribe of Levi, who's also Shinzo Abe, the Prime Minister of Japan, to sit down and to express the issues in the YouTube videos of U.S. Supreme Court Plaintiff Aaron William Strickland versus Defendant Joe Biden. And as we take the court in diversity to Prime Minister of Japan office, U.S. Supreme Court Plaintiff Shinzo Abe versus Defendant Joe Biden each day, I want this same respect. And so I want to say that if you are Japanese and you do have your robot human service providers, provide those services. You never know when you might capture a bad guy or bad guys doing bad things and could be able to bring justice to all of the families of the victims. This is an unfortunate situation where an illegal racketeer influenced corrupt organized crime act had created several businesses and protected their interests of doing bad things, ill-gotten, in order to gain finances with their businesses, thinking that the insurance and the licenses of those businesses will protect them for breaking domestic and international laws and breaking laws against God and the church. I tell you, my friend, that we went in to those businesses with our cameras, with our video and audio, with our surveillance, and we captured them on camera. And we are going to bring those criminals to the justice systems of the United States Supreme Court. And so I'm asking all of the Japanese people to come together for the service providers that we need, to look at the hard drive technologies, to look at the memory modules, all of the service providers that we need to get the video and the audio available for the courts. I'm asking for donations for people to come together to help out Shinzo Abe in his time as we sue the United States of America president and the United States of America president and accomplices attached to this case, and give Japanese the rights to have their robot on the dry land created by God, and their rights for their robot to be protected by the United States Constitution, and the right for the Japanese people to go to the court of the United States of America, and the right of the Japanese people to attend court on their own land in Japan in a neutral area shared on the dry land with the United States of America. This is very fundamental for us Japanese. So I want you to stay tuned. It is going to get very interesting. For all of the people that are not with me at the tabernacle or the tabernacle of God, with me at Sony, the number one in entertainment, as we put all of our talent into Sony, to go to the 195 countries with the way to heaven and heaven with treasures. I want you to stay tuned for the education. You're going to get a world-class education. You're going to learn about all of the 195 countries. You're going to learn about all of the gardens, all of the living creatures. You're going to learn about all of the languages. You're going to learn about all of the land, and you're going to learn about dominion over all the earth. And it's just going to be a good opportunity for you to accept God as your Lord and Savior after you've learned these things. And for the other people that are religious, I want you to tune in, because this has a lot to do with our rights as Jews and Christians, and as living flesh, um, to our rights to the everlasting covenant between God and every living creature of all flesh. So this is a very remarkable time. It's the first time ever that anyone has sued the United States president, and this is the first time ever that there's been a diversity case between the United States and Japan, and it's been a first time that we've seen the Prime Minister of Japan in a dispute with the United States of America president. And so we've never seen this many first times before, and we've never seen the highest priest on earth in court regarding Lucifer. So we're fighting for the seal of God, and we're protecting the band bank of Sony. We're protecting the festivals that were ordained by God to host in the Holy Bible, Book of Leviticus, our game theater for Microsoft and Jin. And I want to give a lot of respect to the people who are from Korea, who are from Japan, who are from China, who do share the same dry land created by God, established as the United States of America, who come out to support, and the friends that support those people in their individual bodies from their collective bodies. I'm asking for more support. Do not walk by your Aki Abe. Do not walk by your Shinzo Abe without supporting us. Thank you.